Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm here to talk to you today about the Essick Air 1041 wick. This wick replaces the wicks in the Essick Air 400, 600, and ED11 series humidifiers. This wick will trap the minerals that are in the water before they're dispersed out into your home. So you're going to want to make sure you change it at least once per humidification season, and more often if you have heavy use, for instance every day, you're going to want to look at it and see if it needs to be changed. If it looks dirty, then you're going to want to change it. If you have any other questions, please give our customer service department a call. They'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.